Okay, so I made the video about checking the timing on this engine. Somebody suggested it and it made sense. So remember, both these flywheels and the starter cup all came loose because the grub screws are so tiny. So it makes sense that the disc here with the magnet for the spark may have come loose and moved, so I checked that. I think it's properly timed now because it's sparking just above top dead center, so I'm gonna give this a try. Hopefully this will run now. And spark on. There we go. Yep, the timing came out when everything else got loose, so I probably just hit it until it was... it's probably warming up and needs to... Alright, well, let's check and see if that timing... Oh yeah, the timing disc has moved in that brief run that it just had. So I need to get... Wait, no, it hasn't moved. Sorry, I put marks on it. It just is... it's so sensitive an adjustment on the screw here. Alright, maybe that's the secret spot. I'm like barely breathing on the screw every time I adjust it because it's so sensitive.